Space Backpack Review: Scam or Legit? In this video, let me show you a review about the Space Backpack. The Space Backpack has gained attention for its vacuum compression feature, which aims to help travelers pack more efficiently. However, a closer look reveals mixed opinions about its legitimacy and overall value. This backpack is marketed as travel friendly, offering features like vacuum compression, waterproof material, a TSA approved lock, and multiple compartments. Now, for the pros, there's the innovative compression feature, which helps maximize space. It also has a sleek, modern design that fits various settings, and it comes with multiple compartments for better organization. On the downside, some users report quality concerns, saying the backpack feels flimsy. There's also issue with limited customer support and questions about trustworthiness of the official website. While the Space Backpack reintroduces a creative way to pack, potential buyers should be cautious. The quality concerns, pricing differences, and weak support suggest it might not be the best value. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.